हेलो, वेलकम टू माय चैनल लर्निंग विद फन। मैं सीमा। आज मैं आपको सिखाऊंगी कैसे एक बच्चा बहुत आसान तरीक़ों से एनिमल का साउंड सीख सकता है। सो टुडेस टॉपिक इज साउंड्स ऑफ एनिमल्स। मैं स्टार्ट करती हूँ। Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And in his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here, with a moo-moo there, here moo, there moo, everywhere moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And in his farm he had a cat, E-I-E-I-O. With the mew mew here, with the mew mew there, here mew, there mew, everywhere mew mew. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And in his farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With the quack quack here, with the quack quack there, here quack, there quack, everywhere quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And in his farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With the neigh neigh here, with the neigh neigh there, here neigh, there neigh, everywhere neigh neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And in his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With the wink wink here, with the wink wink there, here wink, there wink, everywhere wink wink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And in his farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With the baba here, with the baba there, here ba, there ba, everywhere baba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And in his farm he had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O. With the cluck cluck here, with the cluck cluck there, here cluck, there cluck, everywhere cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. तो हम लोगों ने आज क्या क्या साउंड सीखा, फिर से रिपीट करती हूँ. What sound does a cow make? A cow moves. What sound does a cat make? A cat mews. What sound does a duck make? A duck quacks. What sound does a horse make? A horse neighs. What sound does a pig make? A pig wink. What sound does a sheep make? A sheep baa. What sound does a chicken make? A chicken clucks. अगर आप इसी तरह ऐसे सॉन्ग या राइम्स के माध्यम से बच्चे को सिखाए तो बच्चा जल्दी से लर्न कर देगा. तो आज का वीडियो यही तक. अगली वीडियो में फिर से मुलाकात होगी. तब तक के लिए मुझे इजाज़त दीजिए और लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए. बाय.